Fender has discovered the big, soft, squishy spider pillow that belongs to Aiden. Oh my gosh, it is so much fun. The only problem with this is sometimes Fender has trouble balancing, but he does his best, and he has to concentrate. Those little eyes get squinty, but he can do it. He can do it. Can't you, Fender? Oh, it feels so good. Oh, so good, but we gotta spread those back legs out a little. If we don't, we go sliding over to the side. Sometimes clear off of the spider pillow. Oh, it does feel good, though. It is so good. Fender's has good balance, I think. As long as it keeps those back legs spread out just right. Oh, gotta be careful. I'm sliding over his eye. Oh, I'm back up. It's good. It's good. I love it.